Hello guys, I'm Kevin. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tradeator. In this channel you will see lots of Forex setups and you will learn how to trade. There's no bullshit here, only maths and charts and analysis. So, if you watch my videos, follow me and subscribe and study hard, you will learn all things about trading. At the end of the day, you will be winner. Don't forget it. Wake up and fight for your life. Let's start. Okay guys, hello again. Are you ready to learn something? Just start. Weekly London reversal. What is the weekly London reversal? This is a very huge, very good setup. This will win you lots of money. Okay, don't forget this. You will win lots of money with using this setup. Every week there are 5 days. Okay, this setup works approximately 2 days. 2 times. Approximately 2 or more. I don't know. I'm not sure. But every week this works approximately 2 times. And that means very big money. Okay, they're very, very big money. Okay, weekly London reversal. So what we need? First of all, New York time zone. We have to choose New York time zone. Check this area and choose the New York time zone. It's very, very, very important. Okay. And now we need correlated pairs. What's the correlated pairs? Euro, dollar, GBP, dollar, DXY. These are the correlated pairs. Okay. We need some correlated pairs. As Ethereum, Bitcoin is correlated pair. Okay. Understand this? Okay, now Lux Algo ICT Killzone Toolkit or another toolkit to see the Killzone, Asia, London, and New York Killzone. Okay, New York session start 7:10. Stops 10. Asia session starts 20 and stops at the midnight. London session starts 2 a.m. and stops 5 a.m. This is very important. You can see this with the Lux Algo iStick Killzone toolkit. Now, we need another tool about through the open and through the close. Okay, we need to see the through the open and the through the close. I'm using a toolkit for this. You can use it or not. It's not important. Okay, now what we need? We need something big. We need something as a daily liquidation, as a session liquidation, as an important area manipulation. Okay, we need something big. Okay, we need an area of liquidity. We need an area of liquidity. It's very important. We need patience. We need risk management. Okay, now let's start. Let me explain it. Monday, we are waiting for the Monday. Monday candle opens and Monday candle close. Okay, candle color is not important. It may be red, it may be green. It's not important. Okay. After the Monday close, our system is starting. We are not trading at the Monday for the system. Why? Because we are not. Okay, we are not trading. But now, in the future, we will. Okay, don't forget this. In the future, we will trade at the Monday. So now we are waiting to Monday candle close, and then we put some signs here. Okay. Now we are using the 5 minutes chart. It's very important. 5 minutes chart. We are putting alerts to the high side of the Monday and the low side of the Monday. Now we are just waiting. What will happen? Okay, this is the red candle, for example, and another day starts from here. 5 minutes start. Get high, 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 make low, low, low. Okay, okay, okay. Now manipulation or reversal thing is now manipulation. We need a manipulation rule 1. We need a very fastly income into the range rule 2. And we need liquidation area like this. Okay, there's a liquidation area price get down and manipulated daily down and come to inside very fastly, and when come to inside it put a FTMO. Okay, this is important. This is very important. When the price comes to inside the range, we need a FTMO. This is very important. Okay, now we will sign the FVG anyway, FVG. We sign the FVG, and then we open a long position from this way. Our stops is the last dip under the last dip. Okay, for example, this is the last dip, this is the candle under the last dip. What is our target? Target is the first liquidation area stop. Top of the first liquidation areas. Okay, this is target. This is the setup. So let me explain again. Repeat. We are choosing the New York time. It's very important. We are waiting for the close of the Monday candle. Day candle, approximately day candle. We are waiting the day candle close. You can use it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. We are waiting the daily close, and after that we are putting sign to the daily top and daily down. We are taking the chart to the 5 minutes charts, and we are waiting what will happen. We need a liquidity area, we need a manipulation, daily manipulation, we need a fast income, and we need FVG. Okay, these are the rules. Now, this is the very powerful setup, but if this doesn't happen, for example, like this, sometimes price do not manipulate the daily top or daily down. Sometimes price manipulate the sessions. For example, this is the Asia sessions. Price moves like this. Oh, Asia, and before London, pre-session or inside to London. Now, this is very important. We are using this only London session. So, the technique's name is London reversal. Okay, don't forget this. We are using it in the London. Okay, now price get this area. There is a range here in the Asia, and price pre-London or inside the London is not so important, but approximately 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it must be realized. Manipulate the Asian and come inside Tesla. This works too. Okay, daily down, daily up, Asia up, Asia down, or an important area manipulation. What is the important area manipulation? For example, important FVG. Okay. Now, sometimes price, for example, everything is okay. We put the signs top of the Monday and down of the Monday. We are waiting some manipulation. Okay. Sometimes price makes some movements like this. Yes, there's a manipulation, there's a liquidation area here, but didn't manipulate here. So what will happen now? What will happen now? There's no manipulation. Okay, there's no manipulation. So we will check SMT. Okay, we will check SMT. If the setups, in the setups, there's a SMT, that means this setups will work. Okay, this is very important. If there's a SMT, this setups will work. So when this happens, We are checking, for example, this is the euro. Okay, we are in euro USD and there's no manipulation. We are checking GPB and DXU. We are checking these authors pairs. If when the price come here but didn't manipulate it, but GPP manipulate this and come inside very fastly, or DXU manipulate and come to range very fastly. This is SMT. If in this system there's a SMT, open the position blindfold. Okay, open the position. Don't be afraid. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now I want from you something. You need to work on this. You watch this video again and again and make some backtesting. Try to understand the rules, try to follow the rules. Do not, as you know that everybody know about the risk management, but nobody use the risk management. If you do not use the risk management, you fail. You need to use the risk management and you need patience. Patience is the key. Time is the key. Okay, it's very, very, very important. So let's check some example, real example. Okay. Now, it is the 2 September 25. I'm checking to daily areas. Okay. Now, sorry, just start. Yes, we are in the 5 minutes charts and we are waiting to daily close. It's not important. This is Tuesday. Yes. It's important now. It is important now. Yes. Let's check it. I'm waiting still the daily close. Okay. I'm not taking any position, I'm just waiting for daily close. Yes, daily close. Really close. This is the real open, real day open, this is the real day close. Now it's important. I'm putting my high line and my low line and I am waiting. I put some alerts here. This is important. Put alerts. Okay, then let's start. What will happen? Oh my god, this is important. There is a liquidity area here. Okay, this is a rule and this works now. Yes, rule. Follow the rules. Okay, now I'm waiting. I'm not watching the screen. I have a cell phone and I will see the alerts. Okay. Waiting. Asia session is going to finish now, and yes, London session will open. I'm waiting. Now I'm on the game. I'm waiting the London session. London opened. Yes. Oh, yes. What happened now? Rule 1. Manipulation. Daily. Down. Manipulated. This is important. Rule 1. Okay. Now, rule 2. There's a liquidation area here. Rule 3. Price manipulated and come to inside the range very fastly. Okay, very fastly and bring the FVG. FVG. Okay. There's a FVG here. FVG. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. Rule 1. Manipulation. Price get here and manipulated the daily low. price counter into the range very fastly and get some FVG. Rule 2. Follow the rules. And rule 3, there's a liquidation area here. Now, I'm getting a bit slower now. One candle waiting because of the real FVG open. Real FVG. Okay. Now, this area is my entry. I'm putting a long position here. This is very important. Stop loss, stop will be last loss, a little low. Okay, more than a little low, last loss. Okay, where's my target? My target is top of the liquidity area. Here is a OB. So this OB will be my target. Okay, because this is risky. Approximately here is okay. I think this approximately 3R setups is very good money. 3R setups good money. 2 times at the week. If you catch this, it's a 6R meetings. It's the monthly 24R is you're rich. You're rich, man. Okay. So don't be greedy. This is very important. Don't be greedy. Okay, let's start. I open the position and I'm waiting. Yes, I take the position. I'm waiting for targets. Woohoo! Yes, it's done. It's very easy. It's very simple. Okay, and it works approximately 70%. 70% and 25 R for the month is very big money. Okay, very big money. So now I want just one thing from you. Watch this video step by step, check the rules step by step, and then make some backtest, use it, and then in the real market start to use it. Okay, you will win. If you understand the system, you will win. And now in the trading there are some interesting things. To learn trading is important, but most important thing is psychology. Okay, after every lesson I will make a psychology videos, and I really want that you watch it. Okay, it's very important. And don't forget, wake up and fight for your life. Bye.